Okay, welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make that type of filter. Which character are you? It was one of the suggestion comments. So I'll go ahead and walk you guys through, and yeah, I guess I will start there. Go ahead and search out Photopea. Once you search out Photopea, I suggest you to click on new project. Just follow along what I'm doing. Once you click open up new project, you have this new menu pop up. So what you need to do on the side where it says a name, you need to set your name. Mine will be which for R, and then the width will be 409, and then the height will be 409 too. Again, 409. Okay, once you have that, you need to click create. Don't change anything. And then once you click create, you will have this white square. So once you have the white square, you go ahead and click open up new browser. Of course, don't just leave this duplicate this slide open. Go ahead and search anybody who you want. Right now, I'll go ahead and do Drake. Okay, and then I'm pretty sure I'll take one of these. I'll take these, of course. And once you need to do, you go ahead and save image. Once you click save image, you will once you click save image, you go ahead and you got to open up your Finder. As you can see, I already have Drake in here because I did that and I messed up a couple of times, but it's okay. Once you find your image, you just drag and drop that image in the Photopea app. Okay, once you drag and drop, make sure it fit within the white square. You can click the background here too and make sure like it fit within the white square. If we go back here, as you can see, this is a white square, and make sure it fit within a white square. Okay, make sure it's it fit. Once it fit, okay, go ahead and click on the side here. Once it fit, go ahead and click on the side where it says file. Click file and scroll down on the bottom where it says import as PNG. You're gonna need to click import as PNG. You click PNG, and then on the side, as you can see, it should be 409, and the height should be 409. The format should always be PNG. And once you do that, you will need to click save. Once you click save, we'll come back over here. I'll go and delete Drake. All right, and then I will go ahead and put out my title now. Should have something, it should be something like this. Who is better? Okay, with the question mark. Okay. I did wrong. Obviously, you can see. I need to copy this text here. I need it to be right in the middle. Who is better? Okay, it's all right. So once we have who is better here, okay, just go on the side of here where it says crop. You click crop, of course. You need that. You go ahead and crop it. Just right here where you need it at. All right, there. And from here, I'll go ahead and save this file. I'll go ahead and save as PNG again. Not like that, what I wanted. I'll go ahead and delete the background. We just need the texture, of course. Okay, let's see, PNG. We just need the way it is right here. We here I gotta write, I have a right better solution here. So so once you do that, okay, for the PL, drag this in here. Okay, so once you have that, you go ahead and click, now you go ahead and click crop. Now we can just crop it out like this. Okay, and then we can go ahead and save it, of course. Okay, and then we can go ahead and just go ahead and click save it. Import as PNG, just like that. We wanted to save it just like that. Okay, now we'll go ahead and click import. We'll go ahead and click save now. Okay, I'll go ahead and I'll go ahead and leave the site now. Now we need to go ahead and open up Effect House. All right, so once you open Effect House, you'll be here on the top right right corner on the bottom. You will see a randomizer 2D. Click on it, and once you click on it, it should open up just like this. Okay, and then first what we're gonna add, we're gonna have to add our title. Our title should be something like this. Something like this right here. What planet are you from? Okay, just like that. Now I'll go ahead and add out mine. My question. You should do this. You should do the same thing too. Mine is right here. Mine is right here. As you can see, who's better. Once you do that, as you can see, and I'll name this to title. Okay, so once you do that, you come on a R-key center, R-key panel. You click here, and you will come on the side where it says title question, and click here. You will select your question, and make sure it's small too, and big enough so people can see it. All right, it's just once it's right there, you can reset now. As you can see, all right, now we need to change our sequence randomizer animation. I'll go ahead and click add asset and import from import, and then from import you need to click where it says not from computer, where it says texture sequence. When you click from texture sequence, I'll go ahead and drop this question in my desktop. Replace. All right, as you can see, this is what we did right here. Okay, just select all of them and open them at once. Okay, once you have it, you will have this texture right here. Okay, so now all we need to do, we need to go to randomizer animation sequence. you'll come on right out on the bottom where it says animation sequence. You'll click here and you select the new project, and voila. Now as you can see, it's it's switching, as you can see now. I'll go ahead and restart it. Who's better, Drake or Cardi? Of course Cardi. Yeah, and that's it for the video. If you guys have more question, make sure you comment down below, and I'll love to hear back from you guys. See ya.